Ever wondered how to make your own healthy, affordable dog treats at home? Imagine having a dependable dehydrator that handles the job effortlessly, saving you money while giving your furry friend the best snacks possible. This 400-watt food dehydrator offers just that: power, flexibility, and durability all in one compact machine. What sets this dehydrator apart is its thoughtful design. With the ability to expand up to 7 trays, it adapts to your needs whether you're drying small batches or larger quantities. The clear top lets you keep an eye on the drying process without interrupting it, while the fan-forced radial airflow ensures even drying without the hassle of rotating trays. Plus, it's proudly made in the USA, backed by a solid 1-year warranty for peace of mind. Take it from a longtime user who's had this unit for over 9 years. They use it mostly to make homemade dog treats by slicing thin pieces of muscle or organ meat and dehydrating them. Not only is it more cost-effective than store-bought treats, but it also guarantees quality and freshness. After hundreds of uses, the dehydrator still works flawlessly, proving that this is a smart investment for anyone serious about healthy snacking. If you want a straightforward, reliable dehydrator that won't break the bank, this model deserves a look. It delivers consistent results with minimal fuss, making it ideal for beginners and seasoned users alike. Whether you're preparing treats for your pets or drying fruits and veggies for yourself, this dehydrator has you covered. Worth a look if you're ready to take control of your snack making. Try it when you're ready, and enjoy the benefits of fresh, homemade treats that are as wholesome as they are delicious.